Welcome to our lecture online. With this exercise, we're going to determine whether or not these polygons are either equilateral, equiangular, or regular polygons. So what does that mean? Well, equilateral we already know. Equilateral means that all sides are congruent. The length of each side or line segment, the length of each side is equal to all the other sides. Equiangular means that all angles in the interior are congruent. And finally, a regular polygon is equilateral, equiangular, and it is convex. So let's take a look and see each of these polygons, whether or not they meet these conditions. So we take a look at this first one. This one has 6 sides, so it's called a hexagon. Notice that each side has the same tick mark, which means that this is definitely equilateral. And also when we look at the symbols on the angles, they all have the same symbols, so this is also equiangular. And finally, can we say that this is convex? And the answer is yes, because if we extend any of the line segments, it will not cut through any of the other line segments, so this is therefore convex. It meets the 3 conditions, so therefore this hexagon, this polygon called a hexagon, is indeed what we call a regular polygon. Okay, now take a look at our second polygon. It has 4 sides, so therefore it's called a quadrilateral. It is also called a parallelogram because opposite sides are congruent. This side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to that side. But this angle is not congruent. These 2 angles are congruent, and those 2 angles are congruent, but not all 4 angles are congruent. So we can say that, first of all, it is not equilateral, it is not equiangular, it is convex, but therefore it is not a regular polygon. And then we come over here. This is kind of a strange figure. Notice it has 3, 6, 9, 12 sides, so therefore it's called a dodecagon. Whoa, that's hard to pronounce, isn't it? A dodecagon, 12 sides. Notice that all sides have the same length, therefore it is indeed equilateral. And all interior angles are the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 interior angles that are the same. However, it is not convex, because if we extend any of the line segments except the 4 on the very outside, but any of the other line segments, we can see that will cut through another line segment. So therefore, this is not convex. This is concave. Notice the 4 little caves, if you want to think about it that way. So since it's concave, it is therefore not a regular polygon. And that is how we decide which one is a regular or not a regular polygon. That's how it's done.